Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this video, we will see how we can add CSS to this page. Since you can see once we click on Get Books, we are getting the data. But the UI look and feel is not good. So we will going to see how we can add CSS and Bootstrap in our application. So for that, we have to install here npm install react bootstrap react bootstrap, and then also one more package, that is bootstrap. So we will install these two packages, react bootstrap and then bootstrap, and hyphen save. So these two things we have to do. So now you can see here, let me just show you. So we have to do npm install react bootstrap and then bootstrap hyphen save. These two commands we have to perform. Click enter. So by clicking plus, control and plus, you can increase the size of your Visual Studio, and if you want to decrease the size, then you can do control and minus sign. So these two packages are installed. Now let's refresh our project. We can go into Node.js module, and here that particular module should be installed in this one. So it should be bootstrap. You can see one module is installed, bootstrap. So basically we have to use this module bootstrap dist css, and from here we can use bootstrap min file, and this particular file you have to add in your index.js file. So I can simply write, let me just see if I can do it. Okay, no. So we have to write here import bootstrap / dist / css / bootstrap hyphen min.css. This particular CSS we need in our application. We have to only add bootstrap min in the index.js file, and then we can go into our books